When I look back at 2019, I think to myself, wow, what a great year. So much joy and growth, and mostly lots and lots of silly moments.
Good gang!
Baby shark doo doo.
Oh my gosh, okay, goodbye.
Some of my absolute favorite moments were with the people who made me smile and laugh. I did a lot of weird dancing in some really, really random places. All I can say is that it was fun and definitely necessary despite some of the odd looks I would get. And a big shout out to the people who were willing to do this with me. I also spent good quality time with family.
Running!
And I spent time with friends who feel like family.
Man, it's me!
There are just so many good moments.
You can do it! You can do it! Hey guys, we're at Epic Large Room and we just wanted to say welcome to the family! Happy New Year! Wow.
Pass it down so everybody can.
Hello. Let's go. I'm ready.
Oh yeah! Wow.
Thank you, Dad. You're not dead today.
Oh my goodness! Could you believe it?
I thought the view was pretty, but she was forgetting her. Rachel!
Unfortunately, the most raw and meaningful moments to me, I did not get on camera. Obviously. I was able to let go of a lot of things and share stuff that had really burdened my heart. I've never really done that before. So I'm just so overjoyed by how good God is. I really don't know where I'd be without His grace and His mercy.
Rachel.
He really can change your heart. I mean, I've seen Him do it so many times for me in 2019. This year, I got to cry tears of sadness and tears of joy, which is so cool to me because, to be honest, I'm not super emotional, but I've been learning to express myself better and to be more open. So I'm so thankful for this year. Thankful for the fruits of the Spirit, for learning to be vulnerable, and for a lot of laughter and good times. I'm thankful for the moments and the people who made my 2019 so special. So if you're one of those people, thank you so much for making an impact on my life. I'm just so grateful, and I'm excited to see what God has in store for 2020.